everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, time flies. Natasha Thahane celebrated her son's first birthday. On her Instagram page, she posted a beautiful message that read, "That was iconic. My son is blessed. I'm so emotional right now. April was written in the stars." Then she posted herself holding his son, and the fans could only see the baby's beautiful body but not his face. And guys, yeah, she also posted this message that says, "Happy first birthday to my son." Then she wrote Psalms 91 verse 11, which says, "God will command his angel to protect you wherever you go." Well, guys, Natasha is one of the few secretive celebrities we have la eMzansi. She keep her private life private. Early last year, yena no Happy Wake decided to take off each other's pictures on their social media platforms, and many assumed ukuthi ke bahlukene, but iqiniso ukuthi ke they decided to keep their private life private. If you go to Natasha's husband social media platforms, you don't get any of Natasha's pictures. If you go to Natasha's social media platforms, you don't get her husband pictures. They got married last year, and my friends only saw that my friends got Natasha, but on their post there was nothing show ukuthi bashadile. Well, guys, yeah, my friends send her beautiful messages bethi happy birthday to the legally one, and abanye requesting to see the baby's face, which I think it will never happen anytime soon. Anyway, guys, happy birthday to the legally one. We wish him all the best. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.